Hey there, welcome back to AirTech channel. Today, we're diving into the world of website development without needing to write a single line of code. If you've ever wanted to build a stunning website but felt intimidated by programming, fear not. I'll be introducing you to some incredible no-code platforms that make the process a breeze. First up, we have Webflow, a powerful visual development tool that empowers you to create professional websites with ease. With its drag-and-drop interface and extensive design options, you can bring your vision to life in no time. Next on our list is Wix, a user-friendly website builder that's perfect for beginners. Choose from a wide range of beautiful templates, customize them using the intuitive editor, and voila! Your website is ready to go. If you're seeking sleek and visually stunning designs, Squarespace has got you covered. Their platform offers a seamless experience, combining elegant templates and a user-friendly interface to help you craft eye-catching websites effortlessly. Now, let's talk about Bubble. This unique platform takes no-code development to the next level by allowing you to build powerful web applications without coding. Its visual interface and customizable features make it a favorite among entrepreneurs and creators. Looking for a simple, single-page website? Card is here to save the day. With its straightforward approach and pre-designed templates, you can quickly create sleek and effective one-page websites for various purposes. And last but not least, we have WordPress.com, a platform that's synonymous with website building. While WordPress is often associated with coding, WordPress.com offers a no-code version that simplifies the process, allowing you to create stunning websites hassle-free. So, whether you're a business owner, a creative professional, or someone with a passion for web design, these no-code platforms empower you to bring your website ideas to life without the need for coding skills. That wraps up our tour of no-code website development platforms. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Remember, with these tools at your fingertips, there are no limits to what you can create. Thanks for watching, and happy website building! Comment down below and subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on the tech world.